Welcome to my basement. In today's video I will show you how I built a custom terrarium based on the Åkerbar mini greenhouse that I picked up from Ikea recently. But to get started, we will assemble the mini greenhouse based on the manufacturer's instructions provided in the box. Let's get started. This is the Åkerbar mini greenhouse after assembling it. As it is, it's not usable as a terrarium. So the next step is to seal the bottom with silicone. Now that the silicone has cured, the next step is to also seal around the bottom to prevent water from leaking out. But before I do that, I will take care of the background, because once the two parts are connected, it's going to be difficult to get to the back. There are several options for the background. In the past I made good experience with expanding foam technique, but for this build I want to keep it simple, so I just use a single layer of coco fiber mat that I will silicone to the back. After the outside now being sealed, I will start getting to the inside of the terrarium. As a drainage layer, I decided to go with pumice, which is marketed as an eco-friendly alternative to leca, And as a substrate, I decided to go with orchid bark mixed like 50% with potting soil. To separate the two layers, I have this leftover window screen mesh that I will put in between. As the main hardscape element, I want to use this root. But as you can see, like it is now, it's not going to fit inside. Let's take care of that. And there you have it. Our custom terrarium is completely assembled with the main hardscape element in place. It is ready to be planted. If you want to see me populate it with plants and moss, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Until next time, bye for now.